Are you really going to let other people stop you striding towards your goals, striding towards turning your dreams into reality, striding towards creating that life experience you truly want? You're truly going to stop people because of their stupid opinions, because of their unqualified opinions, because they haven't walked the walk, they haven't done what you're even trying to do. So how do they qualify to even have an opinion? It's so important we stop caring about other people's opinions, and especially in things where we're trying to do something that they have no clue about, they have no experience about, they've never done anything in that area. Stop listening to people who have not shown that they can be successful in that area. They're not qualified to basically give you advice. If you're going to listen to anybody, make sure it's people who actually have walked the walk, have done that journey before, who you can actually learn from, who can pass on experience, who, especially as well, people who have your interests at heart, who want to see you succeed, who want to see you win, who champion your success. Audit your circle regularly. Make sure again you listen to the right people. Stop listening to the wrong people. It'll change your life, either direction.